In this video, I will demonstrate how to change the orientation of a single page to landscape in Microsoft Word, especially focusing on a page located in the middle of the document. Let's start. So you can select any page sometime while we are preparing our documents, the table size, the table format, or the diagram format in a way that it's not get adjusted um, in a portrait form. So we need to make that particular page into a landscape form. So it was some difficult that how to do it. If straight we will go, the whole document will be converted into a landscape. So, but it's very simple to convert one page middle of the document into the landscape. So you just have to select that page. Let's suppose I'm going to select one page here. Let's suppose I'll select this one. I'll select this table only. I want to convert this into a landscape. So here I'll go to the layout. In layout, you have to click the small arrow. So here is orientation, portrait and landscape. So click on the landscape, go to the bottom. Here by default, it's selected the whole document, but you have to change it to selected text and then click on OK. You can see the page is already converted into a landscape. Again, if I'll do it very quickly again, let's suppose I want to convert this diagram into a landscape. So I'll just select this one. I'll go to the layout. I'll click on this arrow. I'll change its orientation to landscape. I'll go to the bottom. I'll click on selected text and then I'll click OK. So the size has been, the format of the page or the orientation of the page has been changed. This is first method. In second method, you can use the breaks as well, page breaks. Let's suppose I'm going to use that page break as well. This is the second method. Let's suppose from this point to onward, I want to convert into a landscape. So I'll go to the break. Again, I'll go to the layouts, click on breaks, click next page break. So the page break is given now. So until references. References I want as it is. So before references I want to change. I'll give another page break here. Now these documents, these pages that I want to convert into a landscape. So I'll just click a cursor anywhere. I'll change its orientation now. So for these selective pages, the orientation will be changed now. So both methods are convenient, whichever is you like, so you can use it. That's all for this. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for the more informative videos. Thank you for watching.